India's financial capital Mumbai changed forever after the terrorist attack on 26 November 2008. A group of terrorists from Lashkar-e-Taiba opened a series of attacks on Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, the Oberoi Trident, the Taj Palace and Tower, killing 165 people and injuring 300. Mumbai was under siege for 4 days before the National Security Guards killed 9 terrorists and captured 1 alive. This year will mark the 12th anniversary of this fateful day. Top government officials have said that the 4 terrorists killed in Nagrota encounter on Jammu-Srinagar highway planned a major incident on the anniversary of 26/11 Mumbai attacks. The security forces, following intelligence reports, planned the encounter and averted a massive terror attack. Detailed investigation into the attack has revealed the involvement of Jaish-e-Mohammed operational commander Qasim Jan. Jan, one of the primary commanders of Jaish, has links with the underground workers all over South Kashmir. Pak-made cell phones, SIM cards, Karachi-made medicines and shoes were recovered from the 4 terrorists. They were also in constant touch with their Pakistani handlers through text messages, as per the investigative agencies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauded the security forces in Jammu and Kashmir. Indicating towards the upcoming District Development Council elections in the J&K, the PM said that there was a nefarious plot to target grassroots level democratic exercises in Jammu and Kashmir. This will be the first electoral exercise to happen in Jammu and Kashmir since the region's removal of special status under Article 370. J&K's DGP Dilbagh Singh said that the suspected militants were carrying a huge quantity of arms and ammunition and were on their way to Kashmir to disrupt the upcoming District Development Council polls and Panchayat by-elections. Pakistan had been planning a series of propaganda activities in the area around the elections. However, unsatisfied by the results, Jaish-e-Mohammed planned this strike on 26/11 anniversary to derail the election process.